Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Edge that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find, guys, where the power lift gate fuse is located, where you can find these fuses, you need to check up to 3 of them in 2 different fuse boxes. We'll explain about that, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses, guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road, guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So for the power lift gate, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Edge right here, guys. By the way, if you own one of these, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. What you guys need to do first, you need to open the driver door, and here, okay, on the driver's side, under the dash, you see that's your parking brake paddle. Behind it on the left side you have a cover, remove it, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, which fuses we need to check? We need to check 2 fuses here, then we need to go to different fuse box, check a few more. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Coming here, guys, okay, let's actually open a little bit better angle of that fuse box so you can see it clearly. Zoom in a little bit, okay, give me just a second. Okay, that thing is perfect. Here will be fuse 9. That will be the first fuse that you need to check, fuse number 9. Then you need to check fuse number 25. So 25, guys, okay, that's 22, 3, 4, and you will have, guys, okay, fuse number 25, depending on which option you have, which not. For instance, okay, we took pictures of 2 different models, but you see this one is 22, 3, 4, 5. It will be a 15 fuse right here. Then you need to go ahead, guys, and open the hood, and under the hood on the driver's side you have a fuse box right here. Open that cover, you have 2 tabs on the front, press them, lift the cover, it will open, and you have a layout like this one. Here we'll need to just check 1 fuse only, and we're talking specifically, guys, about fuse number 7. So fuse number 7, that's 987. It will be that fuse right here that you will, guys, need to check. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.